Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Lizelle of LizTech. I would like to say thank you so much to all of you who liked and commented my reviews. I really appreciated it from the bottom of my heart. I did not expect it actually, but thank you, thank you. So now, I'll be granting another request again to give a full review of Vivo Y71. And by the way, I'll also do comparison of Vivo Y6 2018 and Vivo Y71. And I hope you guys will watch it too soon. So without further ado, let's get started. Vivo Y71 was released last April 2018. This phone comes with black and gold color. It has 6-inch display with 720 by 1440p screen resolution with 18 by 9 ratio. This phone's built with front glass and plastic body, and it measured 7.8mm thickness with 150-gram weight. Now, let's talk about its OS and other features. Vivo Y71 runs on Android version 8.1 Oreo operating system, and the device is powered by quad-core 1.4 GHz with 2 GB of RAM. It also has 16 GB onboard storage, expandable up to 256 via microSD card, and it has dual SIM spot. On its sensors, this phone has light sensor, accelerometer, proximity sensor, compass, and gyroscope. However, it doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, but it has a face unlock feature. Now, on its connectivity, it has Wi-Fi, hotspot, GPS, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE connection. And when it comes to battery, Vivo Y71 has a non-removable 3360 mAh battery. And now here comes the camera of Vivo Y71. This phone has 13 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. On its rear camera, we have face detection, autofocus with LED flash, and other features like geotagging, touch focus, and HDR. On its video, we have 1080p at 30 frames per second, and here you can see more sample shots and videos of rear and front cameras. Rear camera performance is nice and detailed. The color is accurate and sharp. The front camera, on the other hand, is also clear and too natural. Front camera, and yeah, as you can see, it's so nice. You can actually use this for vlogging, but it'll be nicer when applying beauty effects. Now let's check for its gaming test. As you can see, the game runs smoothly. You can enjoy the wide screen because it has tiny bezel. The resolution is nice and punchy. Vivo Y71 price is only worth 7,990 pesos. So that's it guys. So what can you say about Vivo Y71? You can just leave your comment down below. And so far, the only thing that I could say about Vivo is that I like its design, I like its resolution, I like its rear camera performance, and even its audio. But I slightly don't like its front camera, maybe because it's too natural for me and it's not vibrant. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys like my review of Y71. So thank you so much again. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment if you have. So see you again till my next reviews. Bye!